3 best foods for gut health. Quick hits. Yogurt with live cultures. Kimchi or sauerkraut. Kefir. Want to fix your gut fast? Eat these 3 foods. 1 morning drink that heals your gut. Super quick and sure actionable. Lemon water plus ginger. Feeling bloated? This morning gut drink works wonders. Signs your gut is in trouble. Constant bloating, low energy, brain fog. If you have these 3 signs, your gut needs help. Warm water plus apple cider vinegar plus lemon. Here's a gut reset hack that helps digestion fast. Like and subscribe to Health and Wellness for more health and wellness tips.